For most people, their face is one of the most problematic parts of their body, me included. Let's face it, our face goes through a lot of problem because it is the most exposed part of our body. Though I am not here to teach you how to resolve all your face problem, in this video I will teach you my DIY hydrating and brightening face mask recipe for a nourished and glowing face. You can substitute these two with turmeric oil if you have turmeric oil. If you don't have turmeric oil, then we're going to add this one. So I will be using these two for this recipe. This is 1 tablespoon. So this is flaxseed. You can use flaxseed oil. It's very good for your skin. It's good for you to even take it in. It's high in omega-3. Or if you don't have flaxseed oil, you can use flaxseed, which is what I'm going to use now. This is too much for what I want to use it for. Turmeric oil, turmeric can stain so much. The hydrating part of it is the oil that you're putting in. I'm gonna add a little bit more turmeric. Is a DIY, do it yourself. You can use coconut oil if that's your preference. I'm going to add some honey. Just a little bit of honey.